This is the quick reference guide to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Media Asset Management System, or MAM. You should have already received an email containing the URL to access this website, including your personalized username and password. This is the main login screen. Enter your username and password here and click the login button. Once logged in, you will see the main screen. The default view is the Collections tab. You already have one collection, the Help collection, which contains several user guides and the photography and video agreement. I have also created a test collection here called Goats, which we will use throughout this presentation to illustrate certain points. Returning to the tab menu, you'll see a Folders tab, which is used only by the system administrator, a Searches tab, which will prove useful to you in your research. There are several saved searches which are pre-populated here for your use. The recommended saved search, which you see here, is filled with assets which have been previously used or recommended by the communications team and others. There are also saved searches for staff headshots and recently added assets. As you work in this system, you can create your own saved searches and collections, but that's another tutorial. Returning to the menu bar, the Favorites tab contains your favorite collections. The Activity Manager is where you go to collect your asset downloads and to monitor your email download links. Returning to Collections, I will illustrate a few additional points. For instance, you can change the view of this main viewing area by changing the size of your assets and even changing the view from the default gallery view to summary view, which is more like a list. I prefer gallery view and medium size. By hovering over an asset, you will be provided with an enlarged preview as well as some additional metadata like the year, country, continent, and asset rating. You can also sort by name, file name ascending. You can filter the collection items by clicking on Show Filter Options. I would like to only see goats that were created by photographer Natalie Bertram, so I'm going to click on her name here in the Creator Name filter. Double-clicking on any asset brings you to the Detail view, which has metadata along the right-hand side, including the caption, the credit, the year, and other information. Using this back button gets you back to the main goat collection. Those are some very nice goats, and I think you get the idea of how this screencast tutorial would work. Thank you.